Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 106 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you a few videos actually today. Well, I'm not going to upload them all today, but for one, I'm going to show you, I think I talked about it before, but I'll mention it now. My Vernon for the past year and a half, by the way, isn't that pretty? Anyways, my Vernon for the past year and a half has been struggling. It started with the smoke. A lot of my plants started struggling when the California fires happened, when it was almost two and a half weeks of no sun. It was just thick overcast, the whole thing. You couldn't see, you don't know where the sun was. You guessed where the sun could be in the sky. So it was really struggling, and last year it died. It was right here. So I put Egyptian walking onion here. The Vernon, even before then, was kind of struggling. Vernon white sapote. I have my favorite variety. That is a very productive variety, Vernon. Not the tastiest, or it's not tasty at all. It's just very sweet. But the tastiest, in my opinion, actually many other people think it as well, is the Suebelle white sapote. This tastes like banana cream pie. So you can see all the flowers. There's some ants on it right now. You see all the little fruit? Now, you see all that nice, beautiful, shiny little fruit? See if I could zoom in. You see how beautiful they are and glistening? It never got like this, ever. Do you see the spots under the leaves? So I'm not too sure what those spots are. You should have seen when I first purchased this tree about 5 years ago. It was horrible. It was pitted and everything, like, what do you call it? Shotgun holes. I can't remember the name of the issue, what they call it, but anyways, a bacterial spot, I'm not too sure. Anyways, everything was holes in the leaves, but it was the last one. I really wanted Suebelle. You know, I did all I could to keep it alive, and it's still alive. It beat out the one that was healthy. But what I'm going to talk about in this video is very interesting. Like I mentioned here, you can see they're everywhere. The fruit is everywhere on every limb. Okay, it never, even though it's not that big, it never got to this size. It always turned black and fell off. All of a sudden, the Vernon is gone, and the season that the Suebelle's all alone, it has healthy baby fruit on it, and not black fruit shriveled up and falling to the ground. And I mean everywhere, it's full. So you can see. So that's just interesting. Don't know, maybe when the cross-pollination with the Vernon, maybe it had issues. Don't know. Once again, the sunset, and this is one of the reasons why I love gardening. Happy gardening, everybody.